Hey guys, it's NaturallyCha. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Today I'll be showing you how I apply a deep conditioner and a gel to my hair. It is super moisturizing. I did it a while ago when I was in Cuba, and this was last year, and you guys really liked it, so this is long overdue. Thanks so much for your patience. Stay tuned.
Ça, ou pas comprendre folie moi. Pour que ça, ou pas comprendre concept moi. Nous en 2017, nous pas qu'à en cachette. Bagay yo c'est pas jouet, yo gen yo jan yo fait. Pour que ça, ou pas comprendre feeling moi. Pour que ça, ou pas comprendre m'a démarré dans yon premier dansé. Ou ti mwen trop pressé, ou ti m'exagéré. Mikey Mike, yo marem. Senti m'amourer. Pas même besoin qu'on qui
Halfway through, it didn't take me long. At least I didn't feel like it did. I did this on freshly cleaned, clarified hair. And so basically the past few days I have kept my hair pretty, like, it's been dry, but I would moisturize it with water and like spritz the twist that you saw me start with initially in the video. I feel like I put a lot of water in my hair because the curls aren't as defined with the gel as it usually would be. So my take on it is you can be a little bit easier on the water than I was, but I'm a moisture freak. My hair is greedy, so I can spritz with water and it'll soak it right up. For me, I find that it's easier to keep my hair in twist like this as it dries, and then when it's time for me to wear it out, I just unravel them and spritz a little bit with water, not too much, but just a little bit so that it can moisten up, and then I'm good to go. Again, remember, when you use the water, it will shrink up the hair, so you don't want to spritz too much when your hair actually dries.
I swear